Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Athens. Behind me is the Parliament building, and behind me back there is the Acropolis. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to take a walk over to the Kolonaki area and see what's going on over there. So if you want to come check it out and you're not sure how to get there, just follow this walk. Walk on the left-hand side of the Parliament building over here and go up a few blocks. Kolonaki is a very kind of, I don't know, it's a small area, but it's very high end because it's close to the Parliament building and there's a lot of embassies and government types and that kind of thing. So the area definitely has some money. You can see from the shops, there's like Rolex and all kinds of high-end jewelry and all kinds of stores like that as well. So make a left after the first street. And coincidentally, the last time I was here, I believe this truck was here as well. So I don't know if they stay here all the time or what, because that was like 3 years ago or whatever. I don't know what this building is here, but it's pretty nice looking. What does it say? This is the street, Canary. What is this? I don't know what this is, but if somebody could fill me in. So there's a lot of, little boutique and that kind of thing over here. Most of them are closed right now. Like I said, it's around 11:30 Friday night, but there is one little section that should be kind of pumping right now with bars and restaurants and that kind of thing. Now it's really quiet in this part. So I really wasn't expecting it to be this empty over here on a Friday, but I know it will pick up in just like another block or so right across the street from that little park. So I think it's already starting to show some signs of life. So Armani, Benetton, some real nice buildings around here. This is a nice place, but not a lot of people here. Even the newsstand is closed. What's going on? And this park is shut down under construction or something. What's going on here? Is that bakery on the corner still open? Okay, well, this is kind of like the main walkway here that has the restaurants and hangout places and stuff. And I don't know, it's not looking that packed as I expected probably would be on a Friday night. Well, let's take a look. This place called Ruins, Athens urban area. Okay, a good crowd, but everybody's just pretty much sitting down with their friends and having a drink or whatever. Not a lot of people really milling about or walking around. I don't know what this says about Kolonaki. You know, just an off night, or it's not as popular as it used to be or something. Got the Shika bar over here. Got the cops over here. So guys, not really what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a lot more crowded, and I don't really know of any other areas around here in Kolonaki that should be as packed as this. Let's go around the block and see what else there is on the avenue. I would equate this area, Kolonaki, to be something along the lines of Fifth Avenue or Park Avenue in Manhattan, Upper East Side kind of thing. So, but man, it's like a kind of a mini ghost town over here. Let's see what's going on up this street. This is looking really dead, I gotta tell you. Okay, there's one place over here, but I think that's about it. And it looks like there might be a few places up the block here, but again, it is pretty dead. What's up with these wooden bikes? Okay. All right, so there's another place up here on the left. Looks more like a sit-down restaurant kind of place. Alright, so this place is pretty busy right there. And this is probably the end of it right now over here. Guys, that's the end of Kolonaki. Not a lot going on over here at night. More of a shopping place during the day. I thought it would be a lot more crowded out here at night. Maybe if somebody knows the area better than me, could put in the comments why it's so dead. Has things changed around here, or is it just a slow weekend, maybe before people come back from their vacation, the Greeks that are out on their vacation? I don't know, but it is definitely very slow out here. I don't know what's down over here, but it looks like there's a few more places. Kind of pizza takeout or something. Oh, we're at a hospital. That's why it's lively over here. We walked all the way to Athens Hospital. And so coming up is the road that goes alongside of the Parliament building that I started the video on. And so I walked all the way to the next train station, Evangelismos. So I'm back here on the main street. So I guess that's it, guys. Would I come back to Kolonaki on a Friday night, seeing what I saw right now? Probably not. I guess I'm going to stick to the Monastiraki area and Plaka and all of that stuff. So I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.